everybody, welcome back to Cards by the Hill. My name is Jane Hill. So this is the last card from the pack. Stan's block, die cut block, In Loving Memory by Studio Lights. That's what it looks like on the front if you want to pick it up or you come across it. I highly recommend it. We've got 2 pages left, purpley pink, a little bit of red here and there, and this one is You're on My Mind. Okay, and we've got German sentiments because it is a German produced book, I believe. So we're going to use a 6x6 plain base, nothing special. Do have a look at the other 5 cards. They've all come from this pack, and I am really surprised with this one, to be honest. They've got such beautiful pictures. They've put a lot of thought into them. You can see that. The colours match up beautifully. I don't think I can fault it, to be honest. Right, we're going to have this piece of lace looking card going along the middle. I think I've got just enough time to make this one before the puppy wakes up and starts complaining. Here we go. And then it comes with a border, and we haven't used the borders on the others so far, so we'll use the border. We've got a border on this page, a rose, a little bit of feather, flower material. They look like earrings. I'm not sure if they're earrings or buttons. A little tag. On the other page we've got You're on My Mind, film strip, paper and some florals, butterfly, a couple of flowers, and You're on My Mind again. So we're going to use this border, as I say. And I think that's going to go on the top. Across there. That's pretty. Okay, and then on that border, we're going to add the sentiment, You're on My Mind. So we'll get that on. Across there. This time I think I'm going to go for the film strip in the middle as a layer. Down the centre there. The right way up would be a good idea. So that's going down the centre. Just like that. And we've got butterfly, which can come in at the bottom. You don't have to use every piece. You use as much as you like with these card kits. You're just creating your own picture out of what they've supplied you. So it's entirely up to you. We're going to have this little feather arrangement in the corner. Do we need anything else? Let's have a couple of flowers added somewhere. Let's put one down on the left. And one on the right. And that's it. There we are. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so moving on to the inside. think we're going to have this little notepad piece. And we're going to sit that in the centre. Like that. They've got such a 3D look about them, these pieces. They're very, very Anna Griffin looking when you lay them up. It's really extraordinary. Okay, and then we're going to take this little tag and hang it off the notepad there. And that little heart does come out, but if you saw card number 3, I took the heart out and I didn't like it. So I wasn't happy about doing that. So we'll leave it as is. Just gonna hang that off of there. Like that. And in the centre on the left, I'm gonna add this other square with You're on My Mind, just to marry up with the other one. Like that. And we've got a couple of buttons and a rose left. Let's put the rose on. And you can mix and match these sets, you know, they don't have to be all from one set. I mixed and matched 2 sets on one of the cards in the previous videos. That's it. So there we are, the last card. You're on My Mind. We've got the backing piece of lace, film strip of flowers, border, sentiment, feather arrangement, roses, butterfly. Inside we've got another little piece with all the die cut pieces on it as a picture. That's really clever, I never noticed it. Then we've got a page of a notepad with some florals, a tag hanging off and a rose. I mean, there's so much going on one card from 2 sheets of die cut pieces. It's extraordinary. And I didn't use them all. I've still got the, obviously the German sentiments, which I don't know, may use at some point. And this border could also be cut out. It's not actually a die cut piece, but you could cut it out. So there we are, that's all 6 cards from the Stands block, die cut block, In Loving Memory by Studio Light. Highly recommend it. It's all finished. So if you come across it, do pick it up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. As I do in all my videos, I want to thank you for subscribing, for liking, for your comments. Please continue to do it. And I'll see you on the next one.